Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to another edition of Think Different Television. All right, we are going to go over similarity today. Yeah, similarity. So make your notebook look like this. Why are we doing geometry? I thought we were doing proportions. Well, check out this definition. So similarity, two polygons are similar if, number one, corresponding angles are congruent. So the angles are the same measure, the corresponding angles. We'll go over what corresponding means in a second. And the lengths of the corresponding sides are proportional. Lengths of the corresponding sides are proportional. So copy this down, pause the video, go. All right, so we're now going to look at the first part. Corresponding angles are congruent of similar shapes. So looking at this right here, so we have ABC, triangle ABC is similar. This little squiggly mark means similar to triangle DEF. We have to find the measure of all these angles. So copy down this section right here first. Okay. Now, here's my version on my notes. Now with this, we're looking for corresponding angles are congruent. So I need to know what this angle D and F, all these angles too. Well, it doesn't really show anything, but this angle and this symbol is going to help you. So actually, in this statement, it's going to show you what angles are corresponding. So if this is 50, which of these is 50 over here? Well, see A is first here. Well, D is also first. So A and D are corresponding. So that means that they're in the same relative position. So if this is 50, this is also 50 because the triangles are similar. Now see C right here. C is the last in this statement. And so the last in this statement is F. And so F right here is also 70. And so how do I get B? Because I asked you for B also. Well, all the angles in a triangle add up to what? Yeah, 180. So 50 plus 70, that's 120. So it's 50 plus 70 plus X, you could say, equals 180. So it's 120 plus X equals 180. 120 plus what is 180? You can do it in your head, right? 60. So if this is 60, B is the middle letter or middle angle of this statement. So then this is also 60. Bam. So all the angles, see, the sides are not the same. The sides are actually proportional. So like if this were 6, this would be 3. And if this were 4, this would be 8. And if this were 2, this would be 4, etc. So it's double or everything. That's an example. Now let's go back to the angles. So angle B is 60. Angle E is also 60 degrees. Angle D is 50 degrees. And angle F is 70 degrees. Got it. So it really helps to mark up your picture with these ones. Now let's try the next one. All right. So looking at our worksheet right here. So I don't know why that says A. It's just a triangle. Triangle JKL is similar to triangle RST. So we have this and this. This is 49 right here. 49. That's a T. So we're going to find all these angles right here. Cool. So there's your picture. Should look like that in your notes. See if you can do this right now. Pause the video, see if you can do it. I assume that this is 90. Like that. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see what we got. So, if this angle L, so angle L is here, so that means angle T is the corresponding angle, so this is also 49. Bam. All right, J, or K and S, K and S are middle, so those are 90. So that means J and R are the same. So I need to figure what that is because all the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So 49 plus 90 plus X equals 180. All three angles equal 180 degrees. So this is going to be, solve it, what do you get? Yeah. This is going to be 139, 41. Yeah, X is 41 degrees, 41 degrees. So now I just fill in my answers now. 41 plus 41 there, that's 90, okay. So measure of angle J is 41 degrees. Measure of angle T is 49 degrees. Measure angle S is 90. Measure angle R is 41 degrees. There you go. Cool. All right, let's do a few more. Oop, that's my daughter's drawings. Let's get to the angles. There you go. Sometimes she likes to draw in my notebook. You see it on the other page, the little smiley face. Isn't that awesome? All right, here we go. So, this is the next one. If you want to copy it down right here, here it is. Then we're going to do this one too. So these are the last two we're going to do. Now, the trick with this one is that, see how it's sort of flipped right here? So it's taking this triangle and it's going whoop upside down. So it's sort of turning it. So it's going to try and trick us. But I'm just going to use this because this is going to help me. So angle X is corresponding to angle H. So if X is 67, this is also 67 degrees. Now Y is the middle, and P is also in the middle. That's the middle angle. So this is also 75. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's upside down. So now I have to get angle Z, which is, let's see, 75 plus 67 plus X equals the measure of angle Z, which is 180. 75 plus 67 is 142 plus X equals 180 minus 142 minus 142. X equals 38 degrees. So 38 degrees here. And then angle V is also 38 degrees because it says we're similar. I mean similar. Cool. Now you would answer these questions right here. Angle Z, etc. Now I want you to do these right here. So I want you to answer 13, 14, 15, and 16 using this information and this statement right here. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see what we got. 15. All right, now, here it is. So the measure of angle Q, we could do that one first. So 84 plus 46 minus 180 is 50 here. Okay, so the measure of angle Q is 50 degrees. The measure of angle M is the same as G, so it's congruent to G. W and U are congruent, so this is 84. Oh, it's sort of reflected, I'm seeing that, and this is 50. Because angle Q and angle N come first. So measure of angle M is 46 degrees, measure of angle U is 84 degrees, and measure of angle N is 50 degrees. Hopefully you got all those. Nice job. Next video we're going to examine what it looks like with proportional sides. Good work.